The champ is here. KUKA's all-new KR QUANTEC. The unbeaten champion of the high-payload range with integrated digital motion modes. The performance mode covers a remarkable 98% of all production areas. Greater efficiency from spot welding to loading and unloading. The path mode ensures high-precision work processes with impressive repeat accuracy. The dynamic mode ensures extremely fast moves to individual work areas, which leads to higher operating speed and throughput as a result. Experience the power of our champion and discover all the benefits of the new KR QUANTEC.
Orange Intelligenz.